Hey everyone, welcome back to Human. Today, we're diving into the world of electric vehicles and exploring the exciting potential of Canoo Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol GOEV. From their innovative designs to their ambitious plans for the future, there's a lot to unpack with this company. So, let's get started. Company overview. Canoo Incorporated is a Los Angeles-based electric vehicle manufacturer that aims to revolutionize urban mobility with its unique approach to vehicle design and subscription-based model. Founded in 2017, Canoo has quickly gained attention for its futuristic designs and commitment to sustainability. Product line. One of the most intriguing aspects of Canoo is its versatile product line. The company offers a range of electric vehicles designed for various use cases, including personal transportation, delivery services, and even autonomous shuttles. Their flagship model, the Canoo Lifestyle Vehicle (LV), boasts a modular platform that maximizes interior space and flexibility. Partnerships and collaborations. Canoo has forged strategic partnerships with industry giants like Hyundai and Nvidia to leverage their expertise in manufacturing and autonomous technology. These collaborations not only validate Canoo's innovative approach, but also provide access to valuable resources and technology. Market potential. With a global shift towards electric vehicles and sustainable transportation solutions, Canoo is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for clean mobility options. As urban populations continue to rise, the need for efficient and environmentally friendly transportation solutions becomes increasingly critical, making Canoo's subscription-based model an attractive alternative to traditional car ownership. Investment considerations. Now, let's talk about investing in GOEV shares. As with any investment, it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider various factors such as market trends, competitive landscape, and company fundamentals. While Canoo has tremendous potential, it's also worth noting that the electric vehicle industry is highly competitive, with established players like Tesla dominating the market. Conclusion. In conclusion, Canoo Incorporated represents an exciting opportunity in the electric vehicle space with its innovative designs, strategic partnerships, and commitment to sustainability. However, investing in GOEV shares requires careful consideration and due diligence. As always, it's essential to consult with a financial advisor and make informed decisions based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And remember, stay curious and keep exploring.